I'm gonna try something new today, guys. Plugging in the webcam, see how that does. This is gonna be a quick rundown of the market, discuss a little bit of some stuff. Again, like I always say, this is not financial advice. I am just one dude documenting my journey through cryptocurrency. Please do your own due diligence, do your own research before investing your own personal money. So, to run down the market today, it's up about 3 billion. Um, Bitcoin is making that little push up, guys. Like I said, like that 4,300 range is going to start moving on up to that 3,000. Ethereum finally broke 300. Um, Something I was looking at, I want you guys to take a look at just based on the video that I posted yesterday. I made a quick comment about ChainLink and to look at it. I think it's heavily traded on Binance, but it had a little push up. I think it's up about 20% or so. It was down to like 38 cents. So if you got in yesterday, congratulations, you made a little bit of money. I would hold that. I think that's a good spot. I think it's got a lot more room to go from there. But again, that's just my thoughts on what I read and what I feel like the market's doing. So, one thing I did want to discuss is there was some issue with LAToken yesterday. I guess they came out and they said that they were going to suspend. Well, initially they had given the thumbs up to U.S. and Canadian residents to join the ICO, but I guess there were some statements made by the SEC, and LAToken came out and said that now they were going to halt investments from the U.S., which totally goes against what their white paper said. They said they were good to go. They had passed the test from what the SEC is looking for. So I'm doing a little bit more research into that. There's a lot of panic people who, again, guys, when you're investing in ICOs, put a little bit in. Don't put your life savings. Don't put more than you can afford to lose, because then what I'm reading on some of the forums and the telegrams is people are kind of freaking out. And I have a small hold in LAToken, but nothing that I can't just walk away from. So again, when you're getting into ICOs, guys, make sure that you're doing it smart. It's not a get rich quick scheme. It's a get poor quick scheme if you just jump in. Make sure that you do your due diligence. Like I said, I got some parameters that I like to go by, which is team, concept, roadmap, working product, and I really like to know when the coins are expected to hit exchanges. That's a big deal to me. I'm not going to invest in an ICO that the coins aren't going to come out for another 6 months. It's just not something that I'm going to do. I'll invest in a company that I believe in that doesn't have a working product, but it's going to have to be really, really good. If it's not really, really good, then I'm not investing in it. But really, the use case and the team are two major points. If you vet the team and you vet the use case, it's worth your go. But again, don't put your life savings into one token. Okay. Another ICO that I'm big on that I get you guys on is Engine Coin. The more that I'm in their Telegram and the more that I'm in like doing a deeper research into it. Um, it's got crazy potential, especially with the users that they already have and how they plan on implementing it into um, the user base that they already have, which is in the millions of users. So if those millions and millions of users have to use Engine Coin, there could be a fantastic use case for the coin. The coin right now is for the next 4 days is basically 5 cents. I could see this coin easily going to $1. Um, I'm gonna hold past $1 because I think could go higher than that, but um, like I definitely could see it going to $1 in a couple of months once the product is introduced into the marketplace and people start using it. So, just again, one man's opinion from research. Um, don't put all your money in that basket, but the ICO has been live for like 4 days and it's 83% sold out. So I think early next week, I think it might be sold out. It's slowed down significantly. I don't know if the hype around it has slowed down or um, people are just waiting to get in. To be honest with you, I wouldn't wait to get in because you're going to get the maximum bonus right now. But it's up to you. So that's kind of my rundown, guys. If you have something you want me to talk about, an ICO you want me to review, a coin you want me to review, comment below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think about the video aspect of it. You just want to hear me talking. And definitely punch that subscribe button. I always appreciate your ears. I appreciate you listening. I appreciate the feedback. I enjoy giving you guys these rundowns. And until next time, Crypto Buyer, I'm out.